A few months ago, I went on TikTok and posted this video. I would like to officially challenge the Try Guys to do an avant-garde makeup look. And to my pleasant surprise, over 1,400 of you commented and tagged them to get me noticed. And then this happened. They said yes! So we went to LA. Super nervous the day before the Try Guys shoot. I am curling my hair the night before because I know it's going to be super poofy if I curl it the day of. Hopefully tomorrow doesn't look like a hot mess. My skin is just not happy. And hello, new pimple. It's 8 a.m. on the day of the first Try Guys shoot and I need to do my makeup. And here's the look for day one. We drove about an hour to get to their studio, but finally we were here. You missed a bee.
Oh man, I was like, oh.
They put me in a room so we could do our initial interviews. They spent a while trying to figure out which plant looked better next to me.
Take me back. I want to go back to Brazil.
I've never been to Brazil before.
Me neither.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Okay, we gotta wake up.
And this is me being super weird and creepy because I'm so excited. We're about to start rolling.
Okay, ready? And then your turn.
Even deeper into my hairline now. Even higher.
Action shots.
Alexandria, a druid is...
1, 2, 3. Keith, you look like when John Krasinski was golden-faced on The Office.
Afterwards, they got their photos taken and I got to take their photos too.
Forget about how hungover I was. I feel great now.
I feel excited. I feel pretty into this look. Kinda don't want to take it off.
God, this is my nightmares. Oh my god, Ned, you're covered in powder. Then they started filming some vlog content and I was just happy to be there.
I think Cindy's coming too.
You have eyelashes all over your mouth!
Yes!
And that about concluded our first day of shooting. I'm so proud of both Keith and Ned. They did incredible jobs of their own recreation and interpretations of avant-garde makeup. And now stay tuned for day two. Day two of the Try Guys shoot. My hair is still curly, thank goodness, and it's less voluminous than when I woke up yesterday. I was so self-conscious about my hair because it was so poofy. And I was like, oh my gosh, is this side of my hair better or this side of my hair better? And to be honest, they both sucked. Shiny. This whole experience is surreal to me, and I'm really sad to be done with it. They always say don't meet your idols or don't meet people you're fans of because it might shatter your perception of them, but the Try Guys really, and everybody around the Try Guys, not even just them, are just exactly the way they are on camera as they are off camera. And I have to give a huge shout out to Alexandria, the producer who I painted on, because honestly, she was the one who took care of me the entire time. Day two! And this time I'm bringing James and the boopster, who's down here somewhere. He's here, you can't even see him. Red eyebrows, green lids, Euphoria-esque look, very mermaidy. Love it, love it, love it. It was lunchtime and I got to meet none other than Kaylin Allen.
I'm here with my buddy Kaylin. We're gonna do some makeup, and I'm gonna beat him.
And luckily, I'm a makeup professional.
It's more like painting. Like it's literally like you're using your face as a canvas, and you have to be an artist.
We're gonna turn you on by the end of this video. That's a promise. Leading us on our avant-garde makeup journey, Cindy Chen Designs.
Full face. So I do a little bit of face painting, which is why you got some face cream from you. And then also I add cream paints because I really want that pigment.
This one. You nice little Twitter pic.
Don't pick the easiest one. Pick the
No,
one
I
that
know.
inspires
I
you
wouldn't
most.
wear like this, but I'm into it. I have an idea. I can't wear glasses. Should I paint glasses?
Chin down a little bit more.
How close in do you want these to be?
Pretty close.
I'm
He.
impressed.
Come on, creative directors.
With this too, it looks like
I am very proud of Kaylin for channeling his Met Gala glam vibes from the cosmic glitter look, and of course, Zach with his rendition of Banksy meets Jackson Pollock. Yeah.
We wrapped up our shoot.
Yay!
Yay! But what did you think? But you got lots of love today. So many loves.
Thank you so much to the Try Guys for hosting me, and thank you all for helping me make this happen.